This is the Turtledeck. The stringers that we straightened out, if you recall. And I had a video on how I did this and all that stuff, but it's really straightforward and simple. It simply is that these stringers here, they form the shell that goes over, makes that nice rounded top appearance. And these little suckers right here don't really do much at all other than hold them up. When we cover with fabric, it'll tend to make it swoosh down. This will prevent that from happening. They're not really structural so much as just to keep them up. And the neat thing is, remember we did that splice wound up right here because it bent at one of the supports, which is really cool. In the back, it's just a Z piece. As I say, it's just a Z-shaped piece of aluminum that attaches to the airplane in the back, and then the stringers attach there. It comes up and it attaches right here. There's a piece of plywood right here, and it's notched out for the stringers. This comes up, it's riveted into the top, and I put this extra piece on top, give me a little extra reinforcement. As you get in and out of the aircraft, you're going to put your butt right here. So I figured I might as well strengthen it up because I'm growing. That's the Turtledeck.